Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here.
Yes,
Thank you.
Glad to have you. Today's question, let's get right to it. Gary, should I go to the hospital even if I don't feel like I am seriously injured?
So I guess this relates to after a wreck because we are going down, it's a poorly drafted question by me, all right? But these are the Google questions we've talked about we're trying to follow. So this is one that comes up a lot. And the answer is yes. I mean, I think, who could tell you no? And there's reasons for that. The potential internal injuries, the things that are going on. There's reasons legally to document the onset of injuries. If you're really having problems after a wreck, it's important to get medical care early so that no one tries to say later, well, you tripped and fell in your tub, you know, or you had some other causation here. Yeah. So from a lawyer's perspective, number one, I would never tell somebody not to go because it's, I mean, I could be hurting somebody by not getting them the medical attention they need. And number two, it does, frankly, help us start to document the changes and impact on your life.
Yeah, absolutely. So would there be any reasons to not go?
Well, I hear people ask the question all the time, you know, so, and it's expensive. Ambulances are expensive. There are expenses involved, you know. So if somebody else is at fault, hopefully that gets paid because they have liability coverage, and there's ways to recover your medical expenses from the at-fault party. But you know, that's later down the road. Yeah. So short term, you'll get a bill. Nobody's going to ask for a check when you arrive at the hospital, but it's an expense that some people don't feel like is justified sometimes. That is, I think if you call your family doctor, they're going to say the same thing. I'm not going to tell you not to go. If you feel like there's any reason on earth to go, you better go. Bottom line is you'll have some peace of mind, you know, that you have addressed it, you've checked it out, you've made sure you're going to be okay, or at least you can wait till you see your family doctor later.
Yeah, absolutely. What a great question. Now, Gary, you write a lot. And you put a lot of it out there for the public to find out more about these topics. Where can they go?
So, you know, our website, GaryBruceLaw.com, even GaryBruce.com will work. But we have a blog where we're addressing all of these issues and the Google questions there, and reposting some of these legal breaks too. But any question you have can be generally answered on our website. And or the internet, a lot of it, but my twist on it comes there.
There you go. Check
GaryBruceLaw.com.
Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.